Have you ever wondered why people living in some of the richest, healthiest regions seem to enjoy longer lives with fewer chronic diseases? While there isn't a single magic food responsible for their longevity, scientists have discovered that many of their traditional diets are packed with natural compounds called polyphenols. These remarkable plant chemicals help defend the plants themselves against environmental stress, but when we eat them, they may also help protect our own bodies from inflammation, oxidative stress, and cellular damage. Researchers continue to uncover fascinating evidence suggesting that diets rich in polyphenol-containing foods are linked to better heart health, healthier brains, improved metabolism, and healthier aging. Today, we're counting down 15 of the richest dietary sources of polyphenols and exploring exactly how they may support your health from the inside out. Some of these foods may already be sitting in your kitchen, while others might surprise you. By the end of this video, you'll understand why adding more colorful, plant-based foods to your meals may be one of the smartest investments you can make for your future health. Number 1, what are polyphenols and why do they matter? Before diving into the foods themselves, it's important to understand why polyphenols have become one of the most exciting topics in nutrition research. Polyphenols are natural occurring compounds found primarily in fruits, vegetables, herbs, spices, nuts, seeds, tea, coffee, and certain whole grains. Unlike vitamins or minerals, polyphenols are not considered essential nutrients, yet they appear to influence many biological processes throughout the body. Every day, our cells are exposed to oxidative stress from normal metabolism, pollution, ultraviolet light, poor dietary habits, and even emotional stress. This creates unstable molecules called free radicals that can damage cells over time. Polyphenols help neutralize many of these molecules while also interacting with beneficial bacteria living in the gut. Scientists now believe these compounds may reduce chronic inflammation, support healthy blood vessels, improve communication between cells, and even influence genes involved in aging. Although no single food can guarantee perfect health, eating a variety of polyphenol-rich foods creates a nutritional environment that allows the body to function at its best. Number 2, berries. Among all fruits, berries consistently rank as nutritional superstars because they are packed with diverse polyphenols called anthocyanins, the pigments responsible for their deep blue, purple, and red colors. Blueberries, blackberries, raspberries, strawberries, and elderberries provide compounds that may help protect brain cells from oxidative damage while supporting healthy blood flow throughout the body. Studies suggest that regularly eating berries may contribute to improved memory, better cardiovascular health, and healthier aging. These colorful fruits also provide fiber, which slows digestion and nourishes beneficial gut bacteria that transform polyphenols into even more active compounds. The combination of fiber and antioxidants makes berries especially valuable for maintaining balanced blood sugar and reducing inflammation. Rather than thinking of berries as an occasional dessert, many nutrition experts recommend incorporating them into breakfast, smoothies, yogurt, or salads throughout the week to maximize their protective potential. Number 3, extra virgin olive oil. One of the defining features of the Mediterranean diet is extra virgin olive oil, a compound that contains unique polyphenols such as oleuropein and hydroxytyrosol. These compounds are believed to help to reduce oxidative stress while supporting healthy blood vessels and lowering chronic inflammation. Unlike highly refined oils, extra virgin olive oil retains many of these valuable plant chemicals because it undergoes minimal processing. Scientists believe these polyphenols may help preserve the flexibility of arteries, reduce oxidation of LDL cholesterol, and promote healthier circulation. The oil also enhances the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins found in vegetables, making salads and cooked vegetables even more nutritious. Choosing high-quality extra virgin olive oil instead of heavily processed fats is a simple dietary change that aligns with decades of research on healthy aging. Number 4, eggplant. Eggplant is a fascinating example of how a food's outer layer can sometimes contain some of its most valuable nutrients. The deep purple skin of eggplant is especially rich in polyphenols because these compounds act as the plant's natural defense system. In nature, plants produce polyphenols to protect themselves from environmental stressors such as sunlight, insects, and damage from oxidation. The same compounds that help shield the eggplant from stress can provide antioxidant support when we consume them. One of the most important polyphenols found in eggplant skin is nasonin, an anthocyanin responsible for its purple color. Nasonin has been studied for its ability to help protect cells from oxidative stress by supporting the body's antioxidant defenses. Beyond its colorful skin, eggplant also contains coralogenic acid, another powerful polyphenol found throughout the vegetable. This compound has been researched for its role in supporting healthy inflammation responses and protecting cells from damage caused by free radicals. Eggplant's combination of polyphenols and fiber makes it especially valuable because it supports multiple areas of health at once. The fiber helps slow digestion, supports beneficial gut bacteria, and may help maintain healthier blood sugar levels after meals. By keeping the skin on when cooking eggplant, you preserve a greater amount of these protective plant compounds and turn an ordinary vegetable into a nutrient-rich food that supports cellular health, digestion, and healthy aging. Number 5, Brazil nuts. Brazil nuts are often recognized for being one of the richest natural food sources of selenium, but they also contain important polyphenols and antioxidant compounds that make them a unique addition to a health-focused diet. Polyphenols in Brazil nuts, including flavonoids and phenolic acids, help protect the nut from environmental stress while growing and provide antioxidant benefits when consumed. These compounds help support the body's defense against oxidative stress, a process that occurs when unstable molecules called free radicals can damage cells over time. By helping maintain a healthier balance between oxidative stress and the body's protective systems, Brazil nuts contribute to overall cellular health. What makes Brazil nuts especially interesting is their combination of polyphenols, healthy fats, minerals, and selenium. Selenium is an essential mineral that plays a role in the body's antioxidant defense system by supporting enzymes that help protect cells from damage. Brazil nuts also contain magnesium, zinc, and plant-based fats that support heart health and normal body function. These healthy fats may help improve the absorption of certain fat-soluble plant compounds, allowing the body to better utilize some of the beneficial nutrients they contain. Another reason Brazil nuts stand out is their potential connection to healthy aging. The combination of antioxidants and selenium helps support the body's natural repair and protection processes, especially in cells that are constantly exposed to stress. However, because Brazil nuts are extremely high in selenium, moderation is important. A small serving is usually enough to provide significant nutritional benefits. Adding a few Brazil nuts to a balanced diet can be a simple way to introduce unique polyphenols, minerals, and protective compounds that support long-term wellness. Number 6, artichokes. Artichokes may not be the first food that comes to mind when people think about antioxidants, but this unique vegetable is actually packed with powerful plant compounds that can help support overall health. Artichokes are especially rich in polyphenols, including coralogenic acid, cynarin, and flavonoids, which act as protective compounds inside the plant and help defend it against environmental stress. When consumed by humans, these same compounds contribute to the body's antioxidant defenses by helping neutralize free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage cells over time. Reducing oxidative stress is an important part of supporting healthy aging because excessive cellular damage can affect many areas of the body, including the heart, brain, and immune system. One of the reasons artichokes stand out is that they provide a combination of polyphenols and dietary fiber. Fiber plays a major role in digestive health because it helps support regular bowel movements, feeds beneficial gut bacteria, and contributes to a healthier gut environment. The gut is closely connected to many aspects of wellness, including immune function and metabolism, making fiber-rich foods an important part of a balanced diet. Artichokes also contain nutrients such as vitamin C, magnesium, and potassium, which work alongside their plant compounds to support overall nutrition. Research has shown that artichokes contain compounds that may support healthy liver function as well. The liver is one of the body's most important detoxification organs, helping process substances, produce important proteins, and regulate metabolism. Compounds such as cynarin found in artichokes have been studied for their relationship with bowel production and liver health. While artichokes are not a detox cure, including them as part of a nutrient-rich eating pattern provides the body with natural compounds that support its own protective systems. Another interesting fact about artichokes is that much of their polyphenol content is concentrated in the outer leaves, which are often discarded or not fully eaten. Preparing and consuming artichokes properly allows you to benefit from more of their natural compounds. Whether steamed, grilled, added to salads, or included in Mediterranean-style meals, artichokes are a flavorful way to increase your intake of plant-based nutrients. Number 7, red grapes and purple fruits. The deep color of red grapes signals the presence of resveratrol and numerous other polyphenols concentrated mainly in the skin. These compounds have become famous for their potential role in supporting cardiovascular health and healthy aging. While red wine often receives attention because of resveratrol, eating whole grapes offers additional fiber and nutrients without the health risk associated with alcohol consumption. Other deeply colored fruits such as plums, cherries, and black currants provide similar families of polyphenols that work together to reduce oxidative stress and support healthy blood vessels. Nature often signals nutritional richness through vibrant colors, making colorful produce one of the easiest ways to diversify your intake. Number 8, apples. An old saying suggests an apple a day keeps the doctor away, and modern science offers some interesting reasons why. Apples contain quercetin, catechins, and cholinergic acid, especially in the skin. These polyphenols may help reduce inflammation, support immune health, and contribute to healthier cholesterol levels. The combination of fiber and polyphenols also feeds beneficial gut bacteria, creating compounds that influence immune function and digestive health. Many people peel apples before eating them, unknowingly removing a significant portion of these valuable nutrients. Washing apples thoroughly and eating the skin whenever possible maximizes their nutritional benefits. Number 9, pomegranates. Pomegranates are among the richest sources of polyphenols known as punicalagins and ellagic acid. These compounds exhibit remarkable antioxidant activity and have been studied for their potential effects on heart health, inflammation, and healthy aging. Inside the digestive system, gut bacteria transform some of these compounds into metabolites that may continue working throughout the body. Pomegranate seeds also provide vitamin C, fiber, and potassium, making them a nutritional powerhouse. Their sweet tart flavor adds both color and health benefits to salads, yogurt, grain bowls, or simply enjoyed on their own. Number 10, walnuts and pecans. Tree nuts contribute far more than healthy fats. Walnuts and pecans contain numerous polyphenols concentrated largely in their thin outer skins. These compounds complement omega-3 fats, vitamin E, and minerals to support brain function and cardiovascular health. Research consistently links regular nut consumption with improved heart health and healthier aging, provided portion sizes remain reasonable. Because the fats in nuts can become damaged by heat and prolonged storage, choosing fresh nuts and storing them properly helps preserve both flavor and nutritional value. Number 11, herbs and spices. Some of the richest sources of polyphenols are not eaten in large quantities, but are incredibly concentrated. Cloves, cinnamon, oregano, rosemary, thyme, turmeric, sage, and peppermint all contain impressive levels of protective plant compounds. These herbs and spices contribute antioxidants while adding flavor without excess sodium or sugar. Turmeric contains curcumin, while cinnamon provides polyphenols that researchers continue studying for metabolic health. Even sprinkling herbs onto vegetables, soups, or roasted foods gradually increases polyphenol intake while making meals more enjoyable. Number 12, beans and lentils. Legumes may not receive as much attention as colorful fruits, but beans, lentils, and black beans contain valuable polyphenols along with protein and fiber. Their slow-digesting carbohydrates help stabilize blood sugar, while their fiber nourishes beneficial gut bacteria that transform polyphenols into bioactive compounds. Diets rich in legumes are consistently associated with healthier body weight, improved cholesterol levels, and reduced risk of chronic disease. These humble pantry staples demonstrate that some of the healthiest foods are also among the most affordable. Number 13, colorful vegetables. Red onions, spinach, broccoli, kale, purple cabbage, and red lettuce all contribute unique polyphenols that work alongside vitamins and minerals to support overall health. Each color represents a different family of protective compounds, which is why nutrition experts encourage eating a rainbow of vegetables rather than relying on just one favorite. These vegetables support detoxification processes, immune function, healthy digestion, and cellular repair. The more colorful your plate becomes, the broader the variety of beneficial plant chemicals your body receives. Number 14, whole grains. Whole grains such as oats, barley, buckwheat, quinoa, and whole wheat contain polyphenols primarily concentrated in the bran and germ, portions often removed during refining. These compounds work together with fiber to support heart health, improve digestion, and help maintain balanced blood sugar. Choosing whole grains instead of refined grains also provides vitamins, minerals, and beneficial phytochemicals that are lost during processing. Small substitutions, such as choosing oatmeal instead of sugary cereals or brown rice instead of white rice, can significantly increase daily polyphenol intake over time. Number 15, building a polyphenol-rich lifestyle. Perhaps the biggest mistake people make is searching for one miracle food instead of embracing dietary variety. Polyphenols appear to work best when consumed as part of an overall eating pattern rich in fruits, vegetables, legumes, nuts, herbs, spices, tea, coffee, olive oil, and whole grains. Scientists believe these compounds often work together in ways that isolated supplements cannot fully replicate. Regular physical activity, adequate sleep, stress management, and avoiding smoking further enhance the body's natural defense systems, allowing these plant compounds to support health more effectively. Instead of chasing expensive superfoods, focus on consistently filling your plate with colorful, minimally processed plant foods every day. Small choices repeated over months and years often have a far greater impact than dramatic short-term diets. As we've seen, the journey toward better health doesn't depend on one magical ingredient, but on the remarkable variety that nature provides. From vibrant berries and antioxidant-rich green tea to extra virgin olive oil, colorful vegetables, nuts, beans, herbs, and spices, these polyphenol-rich foods help nourish your body in countless ways. They support healthy cells, feed your gut microbiome, help combat oxidative stress, and contribute to long-term wellness when combined with an overall healthy lifestyle.